The client was a young family who wanted maximum security, light airflow, and of course aesthetics. The house is a mixture of old and new, modern and heritage design, so having a large range of products was essential. We worked with the homeowner and decided it was best their security requirement to use Prowler Proof ForceField throughout the home, as it has the strongest performing product in terms of security. During the installation, we used hinged doors, sliding, stacking doors, fixed and hinged window screens. Lastly, fixed screens in all windows which were colour matched in either black or white, again to match the old and new theme of the home. Because of the size of the house, the owner wanted Australian standard compliant security screens on both levels of the home. They also requested that there was an exit point in case of fire on the second level. That's where the Prowler Proof hinge windows really shine.